In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Facebook account without phone number, without password and email. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now open your Chrome browser. Then go to search. Then search for Facebook. Support. Team contact. Then tap on next. Then once you are here, you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see Help Center. Tap on it. Then once you are here, you are going to see those three lines on your top right corner. Tap on them. Then scroll down to the bottom. You are going to see Support Inbox. Tap on it. Then choose Chrome. Then it will land you here on this login interface. Now here, you are not going to enter anything. Just tap on Forgotten Password. So we are going to search by email instead. Then now here you can enter the name of your Facebook account. Then continue. Then you are going to choose your account. You are going to identify your account using the name of the account and the profile picture for your account. So I can see my profile picture and the name, the last one there at the bottom. I'm going to tap on it. Then we'll send you a code to your email. But since you do not have access to your email, you are going to tap on Try Another Way. Then it will land you here. So here we see this link which says no longer have access to this. But for some people, this option is not there for them. So we are going to close this one. Then we will go to Google Play Store. Then go to search. Then search for Facebook Lite. You're going to see it there. Tap on it. Then you need to install this app in your Android phone. So just tap on install. As you can see, it is just 2.7 MB. It is going to download very fast. Now once it has finished downloading, just tap on open. So ensure that you have not logged in using any other account. And if you had already logged in with another account, you need to log out. Then you are going to tap again forgot password. Then allow. Then okay, then you can go search by email instead. Then you are going to enter now the name of your Facebook account. Then continue. Now you need to identify the name of your account with its profile picture. So again, I can see my account at the bottom there. I'm going to tap on it. Then save login info. Next time you log in on this device, simply tap on your account instead of typing. So just tap on OK. Then as you can see, you have recovered your Facebook account.